You know these 6 speeds. If you can manage to have a control and grasp upon them, you can conquer every single scene. Now, let's say when you're watching a horror film, right, and there's an intruder enters your house and you get hold of your phone, how do you speak?
Depends on the situation, actually.
No. You're calling the cops, right? How do you speak? You don't want them to hear your voice.
Whispering.
In whispering, right?
Yeah.
But you also, you have to very slowly, subtly, like explain so the other person doesn't hear who's actually in your house and who's going to kill you. He's a serial killer, right? But suddenly, like, you know, the girl of your dream suddenly said yes to go out on a date with you. And then you go into your friend's place and you enter and all you are, oh my God, she just said yes, I can't believe it. And they're like, okay, calm down. Like, you know, so that's a certain speed that you do on. So all the emotions that we wrote are conquerable because you have a control over the way you speak, the speed. You can meet someone and you can say, God, he speaks really fast or he speaks really slow. Like we tease my own blood and flesh, my brother, like when he tells a joke, we're all like, no, tell us what the joke is, no, please. And he's like, no, but, and I'm like, okay. So whenever he prompts me to tell me something, he goes, where are you? I'm going to say, no, tell me, what's up? Like, you know, first tell me, like, what's up? The point is, people have different methods, but what we train is the 6 speeds. Let's say you walk in. That wasn't, by the way, can I just say, for me, that was normal, the way he actually read that. That wasn't fast enough. I'm just saying, basically, if I was to be in, let's say, I'm thinking of an example of a film. Okay, I can't think of it, but my point is when slow is like this. Okay, it's like Aj.
Sorry, no.
Yeah, I'm reading it. My point is, fast would be like that would be fastest, and slow would be like Aj. The point is, but do you see that? And if I actually carried on with that momentum, how powerful would that scene be? When I'm here and I'm just saying Aj, and suddenly the camera's on me. And now that suddenly became powerful. Because now everybody wants to know what I'm about to say next. Which means I can use any of those emotions, right? Let's say pride is an emotion, right? I can use that to my advantage. So, to work that out, each emotion, each speed, how does it work? Like, you know, that is like a session on its own, because once you establish that, you don't need any help. I mean, you do actually, but that's not the point. It's about getting it right, because as I said, acting is not about right or wrong. With some people we like well, and some we don't. But every time we go for a film, we think we can do this better. And it's a fact of life. So, okay, any questions? So I love this. Like something you have like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Did you forget the girl?
No,
Oh.
she's gonna come out. She's gonna do it. See, now let's just say mindset. Her mind is somewhere else. It's not in the class. She's just seeing her